Welcome. In front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to update Windows on this laptop. So in order to update your Windows, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Now from Settings, go to Windows Update section, and then if you don't have any updates prepared already, then hit Check for Updates option or button, and then wait until Windows checks for the updates. Additionally, you can go to Advanced Options, then select Optional Updates, and if you have any updates available here, you can select which ones you want to install. Hit the checkbox next to the update that you want to install and select Download and Install. Now, if Windows finds any updates, it will start downloading and installing them immediately, and if you'll have to restart your computer after the update is installed, you'll be notified right here. You'll see the text that says you have to restart your computer, and you will also get a notification if you close this window. Like, as you can see, some update failed to update, failed to download, or failed to install. Sometimes it happens. It just probably means that I have to restart my computer, or just try another time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.